I'm not too sure at this stage what he's doing, because that's a pretty big tree. It's like 4 ton a tree. And he's cutting. Now there was a limb that was fucking caught on. He's obviously going for that big limb. Fuck, he is as well. It's alright though, because he's got his shorts and t-shirt on, so... Wow, look at that. Yeah. That's why it cost me a few £1,000s to do my training and get my tickets. Didn't even need them. All I needed was my helmet. But his helmet's out of date as well. Fucking hell. Unless he's making a ledge to put the ladder in. Fucking hell. On the back of that yellow strap is a Discovery. Let's hope it's not a rusty one. What's he doing now? I don't know what he's doing. Let's go pinch that saw though. Because there's a nice bend on that, look. Yeah, someone just drove past in the car there, look. Lose control of that. Oh, can you imagine if that came across the road and went on that white van? Oh, here we go, look. Here we go, something's happening. Wait for it. Yeet. Oh my god, that sounds so dry. Oh, it's pushing it. Look, one-handed. There we go. That's the way. Here we are, one-handed. Oh, no-handed now. Yeah, I hadn't heard chain brake come on once. What is he doing? So is he doing... Oh my god, is that a back cut? That can't be a back cut. No, undercut. Oh, he's taking a gob out. Oh, fuck, he's took a gob out. Fuck. Wow. Oh, there goes the tree. Van, look. Fucking hell, that's a big tree. Beautiful tree that was. Nothing wrong with it. Oh, he's going to nip on that saw, I reckon. He's done well. He hasn't got that nipped yet. Jeez, amazing what you can do with shorts and t-shirt on. Oh, what's happening, people? Can you imagine that coming down across that van? Oh, someone putting their bins out there. Oh, I'm sorry, people, if it's a bit shaky. I'm zoomed in. There we go. Oh my goodness. I don't know what he's doing. He's cut a massive gob out on this side. I mean, he could have done a Douglas Toothus. Or split level. Could have done split level, innit? Split level would be the one, I think. Oh, fucking hell. Here we go. Look at that. If that kicked back, that would go straight in his belly. He's probably got plenty of beer in there to protect him. Oh, fuck. It's all stopped. Oh, come down. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Ah, is he going to tell him? Yeah, that's the way. He's going to tell them to pull on the Discovery. There's already a limb, I think, catching on that pipe. What's he going now? Oh yeah, he's having a look. Oh, is he getting in Discovery? I think he's getting in Discovery. Can't see him because he's got no eye vis on. There's a strap, yeah. Oh, there he is, a bit of orange there, look. And Discovery won't start now. See a big puff of smoke from down there in a minute. Here it goes. It's probably running on cooking fat by the smell of it. Oh, that sounds terrible. Discovery doesn't sound like it's got enough. Oh, here he goes. Which one's this? No, Supervisor. Supervisor there. Is he going to take attention on that, or what's he doing? Hey, look at this super. Oh, what's that he's got there? He's got a chainsaw. Oh yeah, trees go full on the fucking cyclist. Look. Yeah, nice. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. Something's happening. Something's happening. So he's put the discovery on it that there's a limb in the way that he felled. Widowmaker. It's about to fall on someone's fucking head. Unfucking believable. Look at the smoke coming from the discovery. And there we go, people. There we go. That's how to control a control fail there. See the smoke coming up from the discovery, poor thing. Yeah, I'll do a little bit more. Oh yeah, alright, yeah, that's brilliant. Oh, this is exciting. Yeah, he's going back over. Oh, nearly caught his leg then. So he's got to go up now. What did he do to the saw? What did he do to the saw? There he is. What's he doing? Oh, I wish I had a better zoom. I'm so sorry, people. Is this because it's a hallway? What's he doing now? Oh, he's going to do the top. No, he's on. Oh, yeah, he's pulling it. Here we go, here we go. Oh, here we go. Tension. The saw sounds really blunt. Yeah, go on, there you go. Look, here we are. Look, it's all happening now. Jesus Christ. Look at the smoke coming from the Discovery. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Oh, I hope that jumps back and knocks him off. Fuck me, can you imagine how funny that would be? Yeah. Go for it, mate, yeah! Oh. He shouted then, didn't he? Wow, he should... There we go, lads. Well done. That's why. Oh yeah, perfect, mate. Yeah, fucking perfect, mate. Yeah, like amazing that was, yeah. Fucking hell, he looks like a fucking little trolls out there. Buses coming past, look. Yeah, well done, lads. You've succeeded in showing how your luck pot will be empty soon. Fucking poor old Discovery. Don't go buying a red Discovery. Hey, here's highways by the looks of it. Who's that? Oh, looks like somebody rung up. Well, there we go, people. That's the excitement for some beauty. Our beautiful view of a lovely bit of green tree. Now gone. So there we are, St. Budo, that beautiful tree that we used to look at. Fucking gone. Don't know what's happening down there now though. Something down there now. Let's have a little look. Oh, now Mr. High-Vis is getting a bit worried from High-Vis in trousers. Oh, Mr. High-Vis has now backed away from High-Vis in trousers. Mr. High-Vis now is upset. Who's this with High-Vis on trousers? Is he someone important? Or is he just his mate? Yeah, we cut it down, mate. Oh, you're cutting tree down there? Yeah, shorts and t-shirt, mate. That's all we need. Yeah. Oh, right, it's a big tree, was it? Well, yeah, no, it's only a little one. Yeah, it's only a little one. So, did you get a road closure or anything? No, we just sort of just timed it just right. Nearly an old lady, but we'll be alright. Alright, that's the way to do it. There we go, people. Jammy is the word. I was going to end the video, but something's just happened. More people in yellow outfits. Yeah, what's going on here, lads? Oh, we're cutting tree now. Oh, yeah, shorts and t-shirt. Yeah, we're alright. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's a fucking world of shit if it is the fucking highways. And this is why you don't fucking cut corners. Because you get in the donkey doo-doo. Because these people are paid by the government, and so they want to find jobs to do. Now they've got a big job to do. So let's have a little think. We've got health and safety fucking breaches as long as your arm. We've got no road closure. We've got, what else? Don't know if it's got TPO. Could have a TPO on it, which is a tree preservation order. No one knows about that. That's the first thing you check before you cut down a tree. Obviously they've done this diligently. We may have some damage to the railing. He's just sweeping up the road. He's the foreman guy. That's fucking... oh, yeah, well. Oh, look at this mess. Look at the mess on the highway. Did you take any precautions about this? Well, yeah, well, no. Right, well, what we're going to do about this is, have your name. I don't know what happens now. So that lady could be saying it's my tree. I rung up a professional company and they said it'd be 15 grand to take a tree down.